Now the latest in the upcoming second trial for Karen Reed. Prosecutors and defense lawyers argued today over what evidence should be allowed.
The Mansfield woman accused of killing her Boston cop boyfriend continues to be the focus of tabloid fascination, as NBC 10's Kennedy Buck reports live from court.
Jean Patrice, Karen Reed's second trial is scheduled for April 1st. But before then, the judge has to rule on a few motions. Well, during today's pretrial hearing, the state made it clear that they do not want the testimony of a cell phone data expert who testified in the first trial. In April, Karen Reed's fate will be in the hands of a brand new jury after her first trial was ruled a mistrial back in July. Reed is accused of hitting her Boston police officer boyfriend John O'Keefe and leaving him to die back in 2022. Before both sides get ready to argue again in the spring, some details need to be ironed out. Boston Magazine journalist Gretchen Voss is being ordered to turn over off-the-record notes from an interview done with Reed. Her attorney believes this isn't necessary and violates her ethics as a journalist.
Obeying the court's order and establishing herself as a reporter whose word cannot be trusted.
Judge Beverly Cannoni said that the notes can be turned over with redactions. Today's pretrial hearing also heard the prosecution's motion to dismiss defense testimony of a cell phone data expert, Richard Green. At the first trial, he testified about a Google search made on a witness's cell phone.
They claim that a witness's phone made a search for a phrase to the effect of how long to die in the cold at 2:27 a.m. And secondly, to exclude an opinion that there was some type of intentional deletion of that entry without any forensic data or evaluation.
But the defense says Green's testimony does come with evidence, which he is able to back up.
So there's great criticism of Mr. Green from doing what is proper for a digital forensic person.
It sounds a lot like it may just be a disagreement in opinions.
A hearing on all evidence-related motions will be on March 4th and March 5th. For now, in studio, Kennedy Buck, NBC 10 News.